I'm Eric the Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to scale a PDF using AutoCAD. Now, once we have AutoCAD open, we can get started by clicking on Start Drawing. And now we have an empty model space where we could do our work. To open a PDF in AutoCAD, we're going to go to the Insert tab and press PDF Import. And now we're going to look for the PDF that we're going to use. In this case, I'm using an architectural PDF of one of the houses that we built. We're going to open it, and we're going to choose what page you want to look at and press OK. Now we have to find an insertion point so we can open up the PDF, and I like to do this close to the origin so we can know exactly where we are. And if you noticed, on this PDF there's already a few measurements taken. The longest of the measurements is the width of the house, which is 63 feet and 11 inches. And we're going to use this length to scale our PDF. And the first part of scaling our PDF is going to be drawing a line parallel to the longest length on the PDF. And before we start drawing our line, we have to turn on our orthogonal setting, which we're going to do by pressing F8. And now we can draw our line. We just got to line it up with this long measurement. Now we're going to type SC and press enter, and we're going to select our entire PDF. We're going to click on one corner and then click on the opposite corner and press enter. Now that we have our object that we're going to scale, we're going to click a base point, and it's easier if our base point is somewhere in the corner. And now we've got to specify our scale factor, and we're going to do that by clicking the down arrow on our keyboard and then typing R for reference and pressing enter. And now we're going to click on the first point of the line that we just drew, and then click on the end point of that same line. And now we're going to type the length in inches of this measurement. And so we're going to have to multiply 63 by 12 and then add 11 to that, which gives us a total of 767. And that's what we're going to type into the text box that shows up. And now we're going to press enter, and our PDF is to scale now. And just to make sure that we are in fact at the right scale, I'm going to delete some of the layers, especially the layers that contain the dimensions. And we're going to measure it for ourselves and see if the measurement is accurate. And it looks like our measurement matches up to the number of inches, which is 767. And if we were to look at this in architectural units, we would also see that it's accurate because it's 63 feet and 11 inches.